Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Dana Masausi here with your check-in on the weather. We did have temperatures getting into the 30s today. We started off in the 20s and we had just a couple of light snow showers as well as mostly cloudy skies. And for current conditions, we're sitting at 35 degrees and we do have calm winds as well, which is making it a little bit more bearable to be sitting outside. It's still chilly, but definitely not as bad since the winds are calm. Now, we do also have some showers moving into central New York, and for more on that, I'll send it to our chief meteorologist, Colleen Hurley, back in the studio. Colleen.
Thanks, Dania. On the radar right now, we can see both rain and snow. Most of this very light at the moment, but it's warm enough in the valley for that to be falling as rain and a little bit of snow in the higher hills. We're going to be seeing this chance through the night tonight with a dusting of snow possible by the morning tomorrow. Not a big impact as this front moves through for us here tonight. And you can see that as we roll through on the futurecast. Mainly a quiet night, cloudy and dry for many of us, but a couple of flurries here as we get towards the early morning hours tomorrow. Tomorrow will likely start cloudy, but the sun is going to break out for us in the afternoon. Unfortunately, though, it will be brutally cold. That sun is not going to warm us up at all tomorrow afternoon. We are clear and frigid overnight tomorrow night. That's when we'll see our dangerously cold wind chills. We'll take a look at those in a second. But we do have some nice sunshine here on Saturday. Temperatures will be struggling to warm above zero in the afternoon. Now, we already do have wind chill warnings posted. These will go into effect tomorrow evening starting at 7 p.m. And this is because wind chill temperatures this cold makes it dangerous. That means frostbite is possible in as little as 10 to 30 minutes on exposed skin. And already by 7 p.m. tomorrow evening, the wind chill or feels like temperatures will be down to -19 in Utica, 28 below in Old Forge. That's tomorrow around dinner time. It only gets colder as we head through the night tomorrow night. Brutally cold Saturday morning, could feel as cold as -32 in Utica and -41 in Old Forge. So that's when we could see frostbite in as little as 10 minutes Saturday morning. And we will have that wind chill warning in effect up until Saturday afternoon. It will be dangerous to be outside for most of the day there Saturday. Now, there's a lot of hype concerning this storm that's going to impact our area for Sunday night into Monday. We've been seeing a lot of this going around on social media. Still a lot of unknowns, though, with this storm as we're still about 3.5 days out from its start. What we do know right now about the storm is that we're going to see snow in our area starting on Sunday night and continuing through at least a Monday morning. We'll also have travel impacted. It does look like we'll get enough snow for it to impact your travel, especially Monday in the morning is when it looks like it could be the messiest for us. Now, what we don't know about the incoming storm is what the consistency of the snow will be like, whether it'll be light and fluffy or a wet, heavy snow, possibly even with some ice mixed in as well. And we don't know the exact track of or strength of the storm. Right now, it looks like the center of the storm could move right through the Hudson Valley, which would mean quite a bit of snow for us, but a slight shift in the storm's track east or west could change things by quite a bit. So we don't quite know yet our snowfall amounts. We will not be showing you a snowfall total map today. It's just too soon and the forecast could swing too much in either direction, but check back tomorrow. Dan and I will have that snowfall map for you by the evening. So tonight we have a little bit of drizzle and flurries happening. Temperatures in the 20s for us. Tomorrow they'll be in the teens for much of the day. Temperatures actually falling throughout the day and the wind picks up. It'll be brutally cold by the evening. We're down to -14 tomorrow night in Utica. Wind chill will make it feel even colder. Our high just 4 on Saturday. We will manage the double digits Sunday. Good news there. But then the snow falls Sunday night. Messy it looks like on Monday, and some lake effect snow possible there later in the week. Highs in the 20s. Jamie?
Thanks, Colleen. Here's a
Now, your Eyewitness Weather Forecast.
Here's a live look at Utica at the moment. Pretty quiet there on the arterial. Temperatures above freezing right now. This is going to be balmy compared to how we'll be feeling here over the next couple of days. And our wind is fairly light right now, only 3 miles an hour. No wind chill factor either. You will be feeling that wind chill factor big time tomorrow. Get ready for that. We do have some light flurries on the radar right now. Old Forge with a good little snow shower going through. We have got a little bit of drizzle in the valley with those temperatures still above freezing. And we'll see this moving through here very, very slowly through the night tonight. So we'll still have the chance for drizzle and some flurries until early morning tomorrow. And we'll just see a dusting of snow, really, if any accumulation here as this moves through overnight tonight. You'll see that here on the futurecast, just a few flurries, otherwise cloudy and quiet for us tonight. And we'll be on the cloudy side tomorrow in the morning. Sunshine breaks out for us in the afternoon. It's not going to warm us up, though, at all tomorrow. That sunshine not helping. We will see temperatures dropping throughout the day. Single digits by the evening and the coldest night of the winter so far. Friday night, even colder than we had back on Monday night and Tuesday night. And we see some sunshine here on Saturday, but temperatures will struggle to warm into the single digits above zero there. We have a nice dry day, at least on Saturday, and it looks like a quiet day Sunday as well. The wind chill will be the big story for tomorrow. We do have a wind chill warning that starts at 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. So here's the wind chill temperatures at 7 p.m. We're looking at -20s in the North Country, -teens for the rest of us. And this is just at dinner time tomorrow evening. Then it gets colder and colder as we go through the night. We'll see temperatures feeling like -30s and almost -40s in some spots early morning hours on Saturday. You can get frostbite in as little as 10 minutes when it's this cold, so definitely limit your outdoor exposure tomorrow night, Saturday morning. The wind chill warning will actually go until 1 p.m. on Saturday because it will be considered dangerous up until that time. And then another cold night Saturday night for us as well, only a couple of degrees warmer. Now we got to talk about this storm. This is coming in for us for Sunday night into Monday. This has been getting a lot of hype here on social media this week because it's going to be an impressive storm. It is going to bring feet of snow to someone. The question is exactly where that bullseye will set up. What we know about the storm right now is that it will bring snow to our area starting on Sunday night and continuing at least into Monday morning. We could possibly get a bit of a dry slot on Monday before we see lake effect snow kicking on again Monday night. It will impact travel. Looks like it'll be enough to shovel at the very least, and that's enough to cause some slippery roads out there, especially Monday morning. So keep that in mind. What we don't know about this storm right now is how the consistency of the snow is going to be. If it'll be a light fluffy snow that piles up really quickly, or maybe a wet heavy snow, maybe even some ice could mix in. The forecast trends that way. And we don't know exactly where the center of the storm is going to track. Right now it looks like about Hudson Valley, which means a good amount of snow for us, but we could see that shifting over the coming days as the storm gets closer and closer. So we don't know yet snowfall amounts. I'm not going to show you a snowfall map tonight. Tune back in tomorrow night. We will have that snowfall map for you, and we'll be bringing you updates online as well this weekend. So tonight we will see temperatures eventually getting down into the teens actually tomorrow morning. We've got a couple of flurries and a little bit of light drizzle. Tomorrow, brutally cold day though. The wind will be howling out there. We'll see temperatures in the single digits by the evening. Those wind chills well below zero by dinner time tomorrow night. Brutally cold Saturday morning and only 4 in the afternoon. We will manage double digits on Sunday at least. Nice sunshine there. But Sunday night is when the snow starts to fall. Expect a messy day Monday, and we'll see some snow Tuesday, Wednesday, it looks like as well. Some lake effect snow and highs in the 20s there, so not quite as brutally cold it looks like next week. We've got more Eyewitness News. Sports is next with David. Stay with us.
Is weather forecast.
We've got a front moving through, and that's picking up a few showers and light flurries in our area right now. Once that front moves through, we will feel the frigid air coming in throughout the day tomorrow. Get ready for that. But we got to look out west for a second because we're going to be talking here in just a minute about the storm that's coming in to our area for Sunday night into Monday. And that storm is now kind of blossoming around the Winnipeg area. You see this area of snow here? That is the storm that will eventually be making its way into our area. And it's going to take a very interesting track. It's actually going to go all the way down into the Gulf states and then get picked up and brought right up into the Northeast, bringing snow to our area for Sunday night into Monday. It's going to be one very impressive storm, bringing high impact weather to a good chunk of the country here over the next couple of days. Now for us tonight, you'll see on the Futurecast a couple of flurries, maybe a little bit of drizzle. Temperatures will be dropping into the 20s overnight, and we'll likely start a little cloudy tomorrow. Sunshine though in the afternoon, but unfortunately not going to be warming us up with that sunshine. Temperatures will continue to fall later in the afternoon and into the evening hours. Here on Saturday, we are going to be enjoying some nice sunshine, but temperatures will barely be making it above zero, only into the single digits here Saturday afternoon. Luckily, though, we do stay dry, and by Saturday night, the wind will start to die down. We will still be very, very frigid Saturday night. It just won't be quite as windy as it is going to be tomorrow night. So we'll look at the wind chills here for tomorrow. This is at 7 p.m. This is when the wind chill warning begins. It'll go until 1 p.m. on Saturday, but you'll see it's already going to be feeling like the teens below zero, negative teens, negative 20s in the North Country by 7 p.m. tomorrow. As we go through the night, temperatures continue to fall. The wind will be howling all night long, and it's going to feel like the negative 20s, 30s, and maybe even low 40s in the negatives by Saturday in the early morning hours. And that wind chill warning, by the way, stays in effect until 1 p.m. Temperatures considered dangerous for a good chunk of the day on Saturday as well. Here's that storm model of it coming in for us Saturday night into Monday. There's still a lot of questions on the exact track that this storm will take, whether or not we'll get a bit of a dry slot in here on Monday as well, which could limit our snow totals. But what we do know about the storm is going to bring us snow in some form, right? We'll see that Sunday night and continuing throughout the day on Monday, and it will impact travel. It looks like we'll have enough to shovel at least, and that's enough to slick down the roads as well. Still a question if we're going to need the snow blower or not. What we don't know is the snow consistency. Is it going to be that light fluffy snow that piles up very, very quickly, or wet heavy snow? Will we get any sleet or ice in here, which could affect snow totals as well? And the exact track and strength of the storm are still unknown. Now that it's moving through the U.S. over the next day or two, we'll be collecting a lot of data from that storm, so the forecast will get better and better here over the next 48 hours. We still don't know snowfall amounts. I'm not showing you a snowfall map tonight, but check back with us tomorrow, and we'll be posting online throughout the weekend as well. We'll have that map for you starting tomorrow. So tonight we'll see temperatures dropping into the 20s, a few flurries, maybe a little bit of drizzle. Pretty quiet out there though. We'll be giving way to sunshine tomorrow, but it'll be brutally windy. Temperatures in the teens much of the day, single digits by tomorrow evening. We're going all the way down to -14 tomorrow night. When you add in the wind chill, that's when it starts to feel like -20s, -30s. We're only looking at 4 for a high Saturday. We will manage double digits, though, on Sunday. That's the good news there with some sunshine. The snow starts to fall, it looks like, after 10 p.m. on Sunday, and we'll see that on Monday as well. Temperatures next week, not as brutally cold. We'll see highs mainly in the 20s, and we'll still be dealing with a little bit of snow after Monday, but Monday definitely looks like the day will be the most impacted. We've got more Eyewitness News coming after the break. Stay with us.